Hello. So this demo is now going to be on the Duplexbase PT range. So again, similar to the other demonstration videos, this one, again, you can put in your air volume to determine which is the right selection for you. So I've got the Duplexbase PT 900 or 1800 highlighted. I'm going to go with the 1800 on this occasion. So again, when you select the unit, it's going to ask you the position. So again, we can type in anything we like here and it brings up our selection. So again, you've got the air volumes and resistances that you can manually adjust. At the moment they're set as 1200 as a default. The 1000 is because I put that in earlier into the meters cubed an hour section, but again we can increase that or decrease it accordingly. And we can do the same with the pressures as well. So similar to the Duplexbase PES range, you've got the options of heating, preheating. So you've got an electric preheater built in or an external preheater. I'm going to opt for the built-in model. And then on the main heating side, the post heating, you've got built-in options for electric water, external electric water, and a heat pump. So here I'm going to select an integral water heater. And again, remember when you select the components, they do also appear over here highlighted, and you can select each one for more details, like the water heating as an example. When I click on this, it will open up a new box for me to show the full details of that coil. You see there, it even gives the maximum capacity. There is other options available, but I'm going to stick with the one it gave me there. And again, we've got the hydraulic kits, which is the valve and actuator that you want to keep with the units. You can opt out of it, but it's recommended that the valve and actuator is supplied with the heating coil. Again, on the cooling side, you've got the options of water cooling, DX, and a heat pump. This time I'll select a water cooling coil, so you can see the options available. And it's going to just advise me if we recommend antifreeze with this. So it's put in the fluid ethylene glycol. But again, you can see here you can manually change it. You could change it back to water, or you can. It doesn't do too much changes to the coil itself. It's just the medium that is recommended with that model. So you can see here in the design tab, we've got the drawing of the unit, showing all the spigots from the top. There's the vertical version, the Duplexbase PT. We can switch the supply and extract fans around here, like so. And you can see here it's also detailing it's a separate hydraulic kit to go with the water cooling coil. You'll see we've got the water heater showing in there, the cooling coil, and we've even got the electric preheater. So all built into this model. As I say, you could have these external heaters and coolers as options if you wish, but quite often preferred to have them built in. You can see with the drawing here on the right hand side, this would detail your manipulation space, which is access requirements. You can also see the total dimensions. And what's good is with all of our models, you can export the drawing files. So you can export a DXF CAD file, you can export a BIM Revit file, and then click OK. It will export the drawing file for you, so you can drop that straight into your drawings. You could also just print out or export to PDF a dimensional drawing. On the controls again are set. These units come with package controls with a touchscreen user interface. You can see here. Specification tab details the different parts. And again, in the notes section, you could add any notes relevant to that particular unit selection. And there we have it. That's your selection for a Duplexbase PT model. Thank you.